Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Question number 9 in the miscellaneous exercise, right? A tank with rectangular base and rectangular side open at this top is to be considered so that its depth is 2 meter, depth in the sense height, and the volume is 8 meter cube. If building of tank cost rupees 70 per square meter for the base and the rupees 45 per square meter for sides, what is the cost of least? Least means minimum. That means what you want to say? The second order derivative is greater than 0. Second order derivative is greater than 0. Right? Now, rectangular tank means it looks like a cuboid. Right? Now you see, I'm going to draw the tank. Imagine that it is right, not exact. Right? Now, see here, this is the height. Height is given as 2. Height is given as 2. Here, this is your x, this is your y, right? We are going to take. Let length and breadth be. Length is x, breadth is y, right? Solution. Height alone is given. They mentioned as rectangular tank. That means it is a cuboid, right? Let you should understand the question and then you should proceed. Let the length and breadth. Length and breadth be x and y, x meter and y meter respectively, because the volume is given as meter cube. Units is given in terms of meter. So we are considering length is x meter and breadth is y meter. Depth is given as depth given, that is height, right? Height. Height is equal to 2 meter, right? Height equal to 2 meter. Now, volume of a tank. What it is given? Volume of a tank equal to 8 meter cube. Volume of a tank equal to 8 meter cube. That means, what is the formula? Volume of a tank, here it is a cuboid. Volume of a tank, that is a cuboid, right? For your understanding purpose, I will write the shape here. So what is the volume of a cuboid? L into breadth into height. L into B into height. Length into breadth into height, cubic unit. Now you know what is L, what is B and what is H. Volume also you know. So X, Y into 2. That 2 I write it in the first, which is equal to 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Right. Now, y alone you keep it in the left, then you shift x to the denominator. 4 by x. Y is equal to 4 by x. Area of the base means what? Length into breadth. Area of the base means it is a rectangle. L into B. Area of a base. It is given in the question as rectangle, right? Area of a base in which shape? Rectangle. Which is equal to L into B. Which is equal to L into B. XY, right? What is your L? X. What is your Y? First you write XY, which is equal to X into 4 by X, which is equal to 4. Which is equal to 4. Now, area of the four sides. Area of the four sides. All the four sides are what shape? It is a rectangular. It is a rectangular, right? Now you see, sorry, area of the four sides. Area of the four sides equal to 2x plus 2y plus 2x plus 2y. What is children? 4 times x plus y. 4 times x plus y. L into B. L into B, right? 2 times x. Or area of the sides. 4 sides. Area of the 4 sides equal to, area of the 4 sides equal to 2x plus 2y plus 2y. Again it is 2x. Right? Now, what is cos? Cos is given as what? Cos equal to the side, a rectangular base. Rectangular base means they have to pay 70 rupees. Rectangular side means they want to pay 45 rupees. Right? So, x is equal to 70 into area of a rectangular base, that is xy, plus 45 into area of the four sides. Area of the four sides. What it is? Area of the four sides is nothing but 4 into x plus y. Right? 4 into x plus y. Now we are going to simplify. Right, children? It is equal to 70xy plus 45 into 4. That is 180x plus 180y. 180x plus 180y. Now we are going to substitute the value of y as 4 by x. Because two variables are there, you are going to convert into a single variable. Then only the differentiation is easy for that purpose. Right? C is equal to 70x into, what is y? 4 by x. Right? What is your y? 4 by x plus 180x plus 180 into 4 by x. 180 into what? 4 by x. Now, x cancel, 280. Here also 180 by, 180 into 4 by x. Right? Now, plus 180x plus what it is? 720 divided by x. 720 divided by x. Now we are going to differentiate the function. Right? We are going to 180. Right, children? I wrote it 180 only. Better you have to take 180 as common. Right? That is easy. Right, children? Better you have to take 180 as common. 180 you should take it as 180 you should take it as common. X plus 4 by x. X plus 4 by x. Now we are going to differentiate. Right, children? You are modifying the statement in the form of simplest. That is what? 280 plus 180 into x plus 4 by x. Now I am going to differentiate. C dash with respect to x, right? C dc divided by dx equal to 280, it becomes 0. 180 into, when you differentiate x, what can you get? 1. The second one, when you differentiate, you will get it as 4 by x square. This one I discussed several times, right? Now, 180 into x square minus 4 by x square. Right? Next step, what do you want to do? You have to equate with 0. You have to equate with 0. dc divided by dx equal to 0, which implies 180 by x square into x square minus 4 equal to 0. This one can't be equal to 0. So x square minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to plus or minus 2. Length can't be negative. So what is the measurement of length? What is the length here? X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is a critical point. Is a critical point. Now you want to differentiate, right? Critical point, you want to do the second order derivative. Then only you can say whether it is maximum or minimum. Right, children? What they are expecting, you see, least expensive. And one more thing you want to say, it is minimum. Right? Now, d, d square c by dx square. D square c by dx square. Now we are going to differentiate, right? What it is? dc by, I will write it here, right? dc by dx equal to 180 minus 720 divided by x square. 720 divided by x square. Am I right, children? I use 180 and multiply. Now I am going to differentiate. What can I get? 720 into 2. When you shift the power to the numerator, it will act as negative. Differentiate minus into minus plus. Then you get it as divided by x cube, which is equal to 1440 divided by x cube. At x is equal to 2, the second order derivative equal to 1440 divided by 8. Then 8 ones are remaining, 64 8s are 0, which is greater than 0, which is greater than 0. Therefore, C is minimum. Before that you write x is equal to 2 is a point of local minimum. Point of local minimum. Then you can conclude local minimum. Then you conclude C is minimum. C is minimum at x is equal to 2. Right? At x is equal to 2. Now we want to find the what? A tank is a cube of size 2 meter. Right? Whether it is a what shape, that we are going to find. X is equal to 2. Then what is y? Y is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. Therefore, tank is a cube of side 2 meter. Right, children? Next, we want to find the least cost. Right? Minimum we said, no? C is equal to, we are going to substitute the critical point in the function. C is equal to least cost equal to rupees 280 plus 180 into 2 plus what? 4 by 2. 2 plus 4 by 2. This is your function. It is equal to rupees 280 plus 180 into 2 plus 2, 4. It is equal to rupees 280 plus 720 equal to rupees 1000. Rupees 1000. Least cost equal to rupees 1000. Right, children? They are asking minimum cost. Minimum cost how much? Rupees 1000. Got it? Thank you, children. You have to go through the thing again and again. Then only you can understand the concept, right? If you have any doubt, you should ask me. I will discuss tomorrow, right? Thank you, children.